Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how you can start working in Excel. So when you're in the Excel dashboard, you come here and you start with a new one. So you press here with the blank workbook and you come up here, and here you can see there are empty cells with some alphabet on top, and on the left side there are some numbers. So why they're standing there, and also you can see there is a FX, and here you can actually write something. So basically each of the empty spaces is basically a cell, and you can see when I have clicked on a cell, this number is changing. So each cell is assigned with the alphabet on the top and a number on the left. So this empty space is basically named by A7. This empty space, the first one is, you can see that it actually took A from horizontal alphabets and number the vertical numbers A1. So this one would be B2. This one would be C2. And here if we come, this is C9, so it took C from here, 9 from here, and in the space and in this cell we can write numbers and alphabets. So let's say I write 8, and now you can see in the FX spaces you can see that number appears. And if I go in another empty spaces, you don't see anything here. So again, if I write something here, let's say something, and you see in the space you get something. So what this space is, this space is basically operation space, and if you see that once you hover over there, you see that it is asking for inserting function. That means when I am in the cell, the function is basically that number. When I am here, there is none. So the more we're going to start working with Excel, the more you know how functions work. So if I would like to, let's say, so to get a function here, how you can do that, you start with equal sign, and let's say now we are going to bring this number exactly here. So we'll just press here, enter, and now you see that this 8 actually comes here. So we are referring this cell that we want the number from C9 in E9. So this is a very good way, because some cases what happens is that you continuously would like to change the number here in a particular cell and would like the impact to be on the other cell. So here, if instead of 8 we write sum, and now you see you've gotten that sum in the other cell. So we can use mouse for selecting, moving, and filling these cells. So what I am saying is that if you want to select any cell, you just bring your cursor and you see there is a plus sign. The moment you click, that cell is selected, and also I clicked here, it is selected. Now if I would like to move, so once you're basically moving your cursor, you see that plus is changing to another plus that has arrows in 4 directions, and when you reach there, it means it's ready to move. So if I move now, if I press now and then hold my mouse, and then I can move it. So you see, you get that one, you hold that one, now you can move along the way, but that number is moving. Now if you can remember, here we had this formula that was referring to maybe C9, but now it has been changed as C4. So if we just move again this number to down somewhere, now again if we come here in the formula, it's now C10. So what it means is that this is basically referring to this number, not this specific cell. So if I change this number somewhere else, the cell that it is now inserted in, this formula is changed to that cell as well. So if this is actually dragged somewhere here, you can see that it took J5 now. So here I, and if we look here, it's 5. So that was that move handle. Now we have another handle that is fill. So we can fill this this by just dragging like this. So if you hover over a cell, there is in the corner there is a specific dot, and if you come over the dot, there is a sum. So if we just drag that sum on the bottom of the cell, you can see that those have been filled by that cell in element. So if, let's say, that cell has an element of number, and we take that corner and we drag it down, now all the cells has been replaced by that particular number. So that is how we can fill. And also if I actually drag on the right side, you can see those right side cell has been also replaced with those number. So in any particular cell, if you have a long text, it actually goes over to the other cell, even though this text is basically in this cell, I mean E8. Now if we go in F8, you see there is nothing. If we go G8, there is nothing. So this text is basically in E8. So you can see here in the function you find that text. So to keep this completely in E8, what you can do is that you can drag this one and you can drag until it fills completely in this one. But also the other way you can do is, well, maybe just taking this one and vertically increasing the cell height, but you see it actually still on the bottom side and this place is empty. So to actually wrap it within this cell size, what we do is we use the wrapping. So we hover here and we use this option, so wrap text, and now you see that it is being wrapped within this particular cell, and we can readjust it in our desired size. Let's say in a shop we want to know the selling of these 4 items starting from Monday to Sunday. So we just write the weekdays here, Monday, and we can write Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday like this. But also the other way to actually do is that you just hover on the corner and fill, and automatically it actually takes until Sunday and then it repeats. So we don't need Monday, so we need only 7 days. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, and then the numbers. Let's say latte have been sold 20 throughout the week, and every day it is the same. So instead of writing 20 manually, you can again use that fill option, drag it until Sunday, and see it is done. And also let's say 21 for Americano, what you can do is drag it until the Sunday, and 21 is being filled. Now any cell, if you'd like to go in the next cell down here, what you do is you will press enter, so it will take you to the next cell. And if you'd like to go to the adjacent cell on the right side, you press tab. So if we press tab, it will always go in the front. But if we want to stay within this area, we'll just select this area, and now if I start pressing tab, now you see it is actually moving, but it is not going away from this area. It's a good way to fast going from one cell to another. So now all the cell have been filled with data. Now we want to know how many drinks we have sold on Monday. So we select this range and then go here in the summation, and once you press this, it has summed up all the drinks. So on Monday we have sold in total 84. And to know how many we sold in Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we don't need to apply the same summation again and again. What we can do is we can fill. We go in the corner and drag until Sunday. And the same formula will be applied for the rest of the cells as well, taking all of the number above. So this was the introductory video to start working in Microsoft Excel. And please do subscribe my channel, and thank you very much.